This is third method to solve quadratic equation, and method is for solution of quadratic equation using formula method. Okay, so let's derive formula for particular solution. So let us assume one polynomial with standard polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c be the polynomial having one important condition, that is a is not equal to 0. That is coefficient of x square is not equal to 0 here. So to solve this equation, I am going to divide this whole equation, divide given equation by a, कारण की मला x चा कोएफिशियंट या ठिकाणी 1 करायचा. ओके, सो इथे मी थोडासा चेंज करते, इथे इज इक्वल टू 0 घेते. बरोबर. सो डिवाइड केल्यानंतर मला काय मिळेल, तर एक्स स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज, त्याचा कोएफिशियंट 1 होईल. इथे काय होईल, b डिवायडेड बाय ए एक्स अँड लास्ट टर्म विल बी c डिवायडेड बाय a इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, a ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर मला असा फॉर्म मिळेल. आता मला पहिली जी टर्म आहे ती स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायची. आता इथे गंमत बघा, ज्यावेळेला आपण एखादा स्क्वेअर लिहितो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला कशी टर्म मिळते, तर एक्स प्लस ए ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ax प्लस ए स्क्वेअर. बरोबर. सो मिडल टर्म ही किती आहे, 2a आहे, म्हणजे लास्ट वाली टर्मला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय. आता इथे मला जर का ऍडजस्टमेंट करायची असेल तर इथे मला मिडल टर्म वरती फोकस करावा लागेल. बरोबर. इथे मिडल टर्म काय, b बाय a. ओके, आणि 2 हा मिसिंग आहे. बरोबर. सो इथे मला 2 जर ऍडजस्ट करायचा असेल तर मला मल्टिप्लाय अँड डिवायडेड बाय 2 करावं लागेल. म्हणजेच मला टर्म काय मिळेल या ठिकाणी, तर b डिवायडेड बाय 2a. करेक्ट. आता इथे गंमत बघा, इथे जर का मी असं लिहिलं एक्स प्लस बी डिवायडेड बाय 2a ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर, तर मला काय मिळेल, तर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 इंटू b डिवायडेड बाय 2a एक्स प्लस b स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय 4a स्क्वेअर. करेक्ट, अशी मला एक टर्म मिळेल. सो इथे मला जी मिडल टर्म मिळते ती b डिवायडेड बाय a आहे, म्हणजे लास्ट टर्म काय असायला पाहिजे, a ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय असायला पाहिजे, b डिवायडेड बाय 2a. बरोबर. आता ह्याचा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे a चा स्क्वेअर काय येणार आहे याच्यावरून, तर b स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय 4a स्क्वेअर. दिस पार्ट इज ओनली फॉर अंडरस्टँडिंग, सो राईट डाऊन दिस पार्ट. And here, using this, I am going to add and subtract which value, b square divided by 4a square. So to find out general formula, I am using complete square method here. So finally I will get x square divided by b by ax plus b square divided by 4a square minus b square divided by 4a square प्लस c बाय a इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, हे जर का तुम्ही नोट डाऊन करून आधीच घेतलं असेल तर मी ते रफ करते, बिकॉज आय नीड वन सम स्पेस टू एक्सप्लेन दॅट सोल्युशन. सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन फर्दर. सो पहिल्या 3 टर्म मी एक्स स्क्वेअरच्या केस, कम्प्लीट स्क्वेअरच्या केसमध्ये लिहू शकते. सो एक्स प्लस बी बाय 2a चा स्क्वेअर, हे आपण मगाशीच बघितले कसं डिराइव्ह करायचं ते. आणि आता ही पुढची जी टर्म आहे ती मी थोडीशी सॉल्व करून घेते. तर मी सॉल्व कशी करते बघा, इथे मी बेस आहे तो कॉमन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. सो इथे 4a आहे आणि त्यातला a फक्त इथे आहे, सो इथे मला 4a ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. सो मायनस कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करायला लागेल, पहिल्या केसमध्ये मला बी स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज प्लस 4a ची इथे कमी आहे कॉमन बेस करताना, सो 4ac होईल आणि डिवायडेड बाय 4a स्क्वेअर. सो कॉमन बेस मी केला 4a स्क्वेअर is equal to 0. Okay, so let us solve this equation using complete square method. So तिथे आपण जसं सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट केलं होतं सेम आपण इथे तसंच करणार आहोत. सो फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वेअर प्लस 4ac divided by 4a square. Okay, so let us take square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. Here I will get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus, as we seen yesterday, our square root can be पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह. ओके, सो इथे ह्या ब्रॅकेटला मला स्क्वेअर रूट टाकावं लागेल आणि ह्या क्वांटिटीचं स्क्वेअर रूट काय येईल 4a स्क्वेअरचं स्क्वेअर रूट 2a येईल. सो डिरेक्टली आय कॅन राईट 2. करेक्ट. Therefore, finally I got x is equal to minus b by 2a. I am putting that value on another side, plus or minus root 2 b square plus, actually see, in this case c by 2 term in last session, it is negative because I am taking this term as a single bracket. बरोबर. सो इथे जर का मी ती टर्म पूर्ण निगेटिव्ह करून घ्यायची झाली या केसमध्ये, त्याला जर मी ब्रॅकेट केला तर इथे मला निगेटिव्ह साईन द्यावा लागेल. त्याचं रिझन काय आहे, तर ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर निगेटिव्ह आहे, निगेटिव्ह इंटू निगेटिव्ह इज पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, सो लास्ट टर्म मला पॉझिटिव्ह हवी असेल तर मला इथे निगेटिव्ह टर्म घ्यावी लागेल. क्लिअर. सो इथे आपल्याला करेक्शन करावं लागेल. बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4 is क्लिअर. सो प्रत्येक वेळेला मागची स्टेप आपल्याला चेक करावी लागेल कारण की साइन मध्ये मिस्टेक होऊ शकते. Therefore, finally I will get base is common here, so minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here in this formula, we are using values of coefficients a, b and c. जर values of coefficient आपल्याला माहित असेल तर आपण directly substitute करून roots find out करू शकतो. So finally here roots are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. क्लिअर. हे आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला मिळाला. इन जनरल तुम्ही डिरेक्टली हा फॉर्म्युला मेमराइज करू शकता. सो आवर फॉर्म्युला इज x इज इक्वल टू मायनस बी प्लस और मायनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac divided by 2a. Let us solve first quadratic equation using formula method. So here one quadratic equation is given. From this equation I can write values of coefficient as a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 14. Okay, so see in this case b is negative. So b is equal to minus 14. This value is very important. Sometimes students write only 14 is positive 14 instead of minus 14. So coefficient आपण ज्यावेळेला कन्सिडर करतो त्यावेळेला त्याची साइन पण कन्सिडर करण्याची गरज असते. अदरवाइज तुमचं आन्सर आहे ते रॉंग येऊ शकतं या केसमध्ये. And c is equal to 30. And we know the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. करेक्ट. आता ते डायरेक्ट सबस्टिट्यूशन करण्याच्या ऐवजी ब्रॅकेट मधली जी क्वांटिटी आहे, रूट मधली क्वांटिटी आहे बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac, त्याचं नेहमी आधी कॅल्क्युलेशन करून घ्यायचं. सो त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला सॉल्व करणं अतिशय सोपं जाईल. आता बी स्क्वेअर मीन्स -14 स्क्वेअर. आता इथे तुम्हाला 30 पर्यंतच्या स्क्वेअरच्या व्हॅल्यूज पाठ असायला पाहिजे. अदरवाईज तुम्हाला सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट करणं कठीण जाईल. सो 14 स्क्वेअर इज 196 मायनस 4 3 चा हाऊ मच 4 13 4 चा हाऊ मच 50. So after subtraction, we will get it is equal to 144. बरोबर. Therefore, root of b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? 12. सो ही व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही डिरेक्टली बाजूला कॅल्क्युलेट करून घेतला तर ती तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युलामध्ये डिरेक्टली सबस्टिट्यूट करता येतील, बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली पार्ट ऑफ कॅल्क्युलेशन. अदरवाईज ह्या व्हॅल्यू तर जस्ट तुम्हाला सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या. ओके, सो लेट अस solve this example further. So here x is equal to minus of b. What is value of b? It is 14 plus or minus 12 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So see, in this case minus into minus will become plus. ओके, सो इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे दोन साईनचा आणि आपल्याला हे माहिती आहे मायनस आणि मायनस निगेटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह साईनचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन हे नेहमी पॉझिटिव्ह असेल. सो 14 प्लस ऑर मायनस 12 divided by 2. Therefore, here I got x is equal to 14 plus 12 divided by 2, or I will get x is equal to 14 minus 12 divided by 2. So I am going to add and subtract them. Therefore, x is equal to 26 divided by 2, or x is equal to 2 divided by. Therefore, x is equal to 13, or x is equal to 1. Hence, 13 and 1 are roots of given equation. Let us start solving practice set 2.4. So question 1 is given here. Compare the given quadratic equation to general form and write values of a, b and c. Actually हा क्वेश्चन आपण लास्ट आय थिंक प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 मध्ये सॉल्व केलाय, पण इथे जस्ट त्यांनी तो विचारलाय. सो ॲज वी नो द general form for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so first equation is already in general form. So here we can write coefficient directly. So coefficient can be written as a is equal to 1, b is equal to -7 and c is equal to 5. In second case, second example, equation is not in standard form. So let us convert this equation in standard form. So 2n square. So this term will become negative as it turns side. Then last term will become positive. So 2n square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. This is second equation. And from this we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to -5 and c is equal to 5. That's it. Then last equation, let us write down this equation in general form. So I can write it is y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, हे टाइपचे questions आपण solve केले last time. So from this we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to -7 and c is equal to 0. So the constant term c is 0 according to general form. The main point of discussion is question number 2 from your practice set 2.4. So here question is given as solve this given quadratic equation using formula method. First question is given here x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So let's write down values of coefficient. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Then next step, write down that formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I am writing one number here. Then in next step, solve value of b square minus 4ac. to find out root of that value. So 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 5 fours are 20. So final answer will be 60. Then under root of b square minus 4ac, that is square root of this quantity is 4 here. So let us put this value of square root of b square minus 4ac in value of x. So here I will get minus b means minus 6 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. 2 into 1 is again 2. So finally I will get x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 10 divided by. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 5, because here I will get minus 1 and here I will get minus 5, are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, so this question is very easy. Given quadratic equation. Then let us solve second example. So in this case, see, coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 3, so b is equal to minus 3, and constant value c is equal to minus 2. Then next step, write down formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, b square minus 4ac can be given as minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 2. Therefore, minus 3 is a square 9 आणि इथे व्हॅल्यू काय 4 is negative, so minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. So 9 plus 8. So here I will get 8 plus 9 is 17. So under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? Root of 17. So using this value in formula, we will get minus of minus 3. This value is very important. इथे तुम्ही निगेटिव्ह साइन मल्टिप्लाय करून पॉझिटिव्ह करणार आहात, अदरवाइज इथे तुमचं रॉंग येऊ शकतं. प्लस और मायनस रूट 17 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So finally I will get x is equal to 3 plus root 17 divided by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 divided by. Therefore, 3 plus root 17 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 17 divided by 2 are roots of given quadratic equation. Next question from our practice set. So, using this equation, I can find out values of coefficients as a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 7. See, in previous lecture, we had learned about completing square method. In that method, we need to convert this coefficient of first quantity, that is m square or x square, to 1. ओके, सो इथे ते कन्वर्ट करण्याची आपल्याला गरज लागत नाही. आपण डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यूज ज्या काय एच्या असतील त्या आपण इकडे वापरू शकतो. ओके, सो ही दिस मेथड इज व्हेरी कन्व्हिनियंट टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्युशन if you learn how to find out all those values and be aware of all signs which are given to those coefficients. Okay, So here b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? B is 2, so 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 7. So 2 square is 4 minus into minus will become plus. So 4 3s are 12 into 7, and here we will get 84. So it is 88. So 88 can be written as 4 into 22. Okay. Therefore, under root of b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? It is root of 4 into 22. Okay. So 4 into 22 can be written as 2 root 22. Correct. So here we can use this formula directly to solve this answer. So let us use all these values of equation in uh, this. So x is equal to minus 2 because minus b is 2 plus or minus this value 2 root 22 divided by 2 into 3. Okay. So see, here I can take common as 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 मी कॉमन घेतला तर पहिला काय राहील -1 प्लस और मायनस. आता इथली 2 ला मी कॉमन घेते, सो इथे काय मिळेल मला 22. आपण इथून पण कॉमन घेऊ शकतो. Divided by 2 into 3 आपल्या डिनॉमिनेटरला आहे, so 2 gets cancel and final answer will be x is equal to -1 plus root 22 divided by 3, or x is equal to -1 minus root 22 divided by. This is our solution, and therefore here I can write -1 plus root 22 divided by 3, and -1 minus root 22 divided by 3 are roots of given equation. Okay, so this is simple solution. You need to follow all those steps to find out this answer. Okay, so write down this answer for question number 3. Next question is question number 4 from your practice set 2.4, and equation is given as 5m square minus 4a minus 2 is equal to 0. So at this point, I need to say one important thing, which is while writing given equation which is given in your paper. Okay, so क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये तुम्हाला एक इक्वेशन दिलेलं असेल, ते तुम्ही प्रॉपरली लिहायला पाहिजे ज्या वेळेला तुम्ही ते तिथून उचलून तुमच्या आन्सर शीट मध्ये लिहिता. समटाइम्स स्टुडंट make mistake while writing or while copying that equation from your question paper, and they wrote wrong signs. So तिथे -4m आहे, त्याच्याऐवजी ते +4m लिहितात त्या केसमध्ये, किंवा -2 च्या जागी +2 लिहितात. सो या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल अवेअर राहण्याची गरज आहे. ठीक आहे. सो here I will get a is equal to 5, b is equal to -4, and c is equal to -2. Okay, so x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is value of b square? It is minus 4 bracket square minus 4ac. So 4 into a is 5 and c is equal to -2. So it is 16 plus 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. So minus into minus is plus. So this is 64. Okay, sorry, it is not 64, it is 56. Okay, so we need to find out solution for this value root of 56, sorry. So here I will get root of b square minus 4ac is equal to root of 56. So 14 fours are 56. So this is nothing but 2 root 14. Okay, so I got value of root b square minus 4ac is 2 root 14. So after putting this value in value of x, I will get minus of minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 14 divided by 2 into a is 5. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 root 14 divided by 10. ओके इथे आपण काय कॉमन घेऊ शकतो 2 कॉमन घेऊ शकतो सो x इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 प्लस और माइनस रूट 14 divided by 10. So finally I will get x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 14 divided by 5. Okay, so this is solution for my equation, or I can write after splitting this solution I will get two values as 2 plus root 14 divided by 5, or x is equal to 2 minus root 14 divided by 5. So here I cancel this value of 2 by dividing with denominator. Okay, so note down this answer. Fifth question from practice set 2.5. So question is given here, but it is not in standard form. So let us multiply this value of 3 on another side here. That is cross multiplication method to form to convert that equation in general form. So 3y square plus 1y, or it is simply y, divided by, so I am writing again, divided by 3 is equal to 2. So this is equal to 3y square plus y is equal to 6. So finally I will get 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this, here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Correct. So in this case, I am writing formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So from this example, we can learn that convert that given equation in standard form to solve this equation using formula method. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is value of b? B is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 6. So 1 plus 4 3s are 12 into 6 is how much? 70. Okay, so here we will get value of b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? 73. Okay, so using this value of b square minus 4ac, we can find out value for root, that is root b square minus 4ac is simply minus root 73. जर का तुम्हाला रूटची व्हॅल्यू पुढे कॅल्क्युलेट करता येत नसेल तर सिम्पली ती व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला रूटमध्ये ठेवायची. So from this we will get value of x is equal to minus b, means minus 1 plus or minus root 73 divided by 2 into a is our 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 73 divided by 6. So finally here I got x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 70 root 73 divided by 6. Okay, so finally I got two values as a root -1 minus root 73, or -1 plus root 73 divided by 6, and -1 minus root 73 divided by 6 are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. Then let us solve next example. Next example is straightforward. So here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 13, C is equal to 8. Then formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 13 square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is 8. So 13 square is 169 minus 5 8s are 40. 40 into 4 is 160. So here we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. So square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so from this we can calculate values for x as x is equal to minus b, so minus 30 plus or minus 3 divided by 2 into a is 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 13 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by 10. So here I will get x is equal to minus 10 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 16 divided by 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to how much? Minus 8 divided by 5. Okay, so finally my answer will be minus 1 and minus 8 by 5 are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, so note down all these solutions and try to do this solution by yourself. All this activity. So one flowchart is given and we are going to solve this question step by step. So one first step is compare equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with standard form to find out values of a, b and c. So from this a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Then in next step, find out values of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to b is 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. So let us find out this value. 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 is better to solve like this to neglect errors. So 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 4 into 3 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So here I got b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then write formula to solve quadratic equation. So value of x is given by minus b plus or minus root 4ac, oh, sorry, root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here x is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus or minus root 0 divided by 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, and finally I will get answer x is equal to root. So our solution is root 3 is root of given question. Okay, so in this example, second step is very important. Find out value of b square minus 4ac. So square of 2 into root 3 is 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 3. So 2 into 2 is 4 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so note down this formula and the solution also. Next part is your homework.